Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Brashley.
Hey guys! No fun?
No.
There's nothing? Okay.
Today we're making a pumpkin chili. It's a super easy recipe because it's the pumpkin eating season.
Yeah, well, it is. What kind of weather is it? Dutch?
Oh, gezelligheid. It's coziness.
Our Dutch friends from Amsterdam, maybe if you could comment below and see if Ashley's saying that correctly. I don't think so.
Gezelligheid.
Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, so it's a nice pumpkin chili, very seasonal, and that's one of the things we're going to learn today, the benefits of eating seasonally, and we're also going to learn, why legumes can make you actually fart, but it's actually that there is a lot of health benefits to them as well.
I'd also like to just toss out a disclaimer. All of the opinions expressed by Brad tonight are not the shared opinions of every member of this household.
I think it is, okay? Beans, the more you eat, the more you...
And before our assistants get mad...
Stop! What is this? What is it?
Sorry. Before our assistants get mad, guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe, toss out a like, send out a comment.
I don't think they're gonna like assistants. Yeah. But please, toss out a comment, subscribe. Yeah, we appreciate your feedback. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the health benefits of eating seasonally. So first of all, the summer is kind of gone right now. Here in Toronto, we're starting to get a little bit cold. It's under 10 degrees right now. So we're gonna start adding warm things in our diet. So soups and chilies. And along with that, we're going to be using, some nice spicy peppers like jalapeños. Start warming our insides up. And besides that, along with that, we're going to be eating seasonal vegetables. So what that means is stuff that's in season right now, picked by our farmers. And there's a couple benefits to that, Ash.
Tell me.
Well, let me tell you. So when you pick seasonal vegetables, they're picked at the most ripe time. So you're getting the most phytonutrients out of those vegetables. Along with, it's really good. Kind of aligns with our ancestors and how they ate, which is really nice. And along with that, you don't have as much transportation, right? So it's better for the environment. And it's just,
so many benefits.
So many benefits of eating seasonally.
Eat seasonally.
So definitely do that. And we're going to show you how to eat seasonally with this damn good chili.
Damn good.
Let's do it.
So essentially, the ingredients are, we got some in season and locally grown, I might add, carrots. We got some celery, the super vegetable.
Super vegetable! Check out the last episode to learn why.
Leave it. We got some zucchini.
We got...
Oh my god, Brad.
Tomatoes! Let's
We
go!
got tomatoes, a pepper, my favorite, an onion.
And some onion.
And we're gonna add a little heat.
That is a pepper!
Tiny organic jalapeno.
Oh, right in the nose.
And then I've also, I just got something all over myself. I've also got here some minced garlic and jalapeno that we're gonna toss in later.
Beautiful.
So first steps first, hocus pocus. All our vegetables are chopped. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of coconut oil, I'm gonna put it in our pot, and we're gonna saute these for 5 to 10 minutes.
Blammo.
So now I'm just gonna dump them in each, the ones that are in bowls. Some super vegetable, some nice organic tomato. No.
Oh, okay.
Why do I ever make fun?
Not all the time. You make fun of me all the time.
And I'm gonna take this whole board.
Here, let me help you out with that, okay?
Oh, okay.
Right? Oh my god, a little mess. Carrots, right? Let's get
Watch
some.
my fingers.
Alright, and everything just goes in at once, just like so. Just like
You're making the
Oh
biggest.
my god. Just like so.
I'm gonna eat all these onions. Okay.
Yummy.
So
What are we gonna do now?
Now we're going to saute these for 5 to 10 minutes or until they start getting a little bit soft, because you have the carrot in there, so you want it to be a little bit soft so you're not eating the chili and like, carrot. So our vegetables have been sauteing for about 5 minutes and they're looking pretty good. So I've pre-minced garlic and I've chopped up some jalapeno for heat. So I'm going to toss that in there now, and the reason we're doing it now is so we don't burn the garlic, because it'll be a completely different taste and you don't want that. So on with the show.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah.
I rhyme.
I love garlic so much, you know that?
Everyone loves garlic.
Just
Who
chew it
doesn't
right
love
up.
garlic? A psychopath.
Yeah, Yeah.
Let's get it all of it. In
Yum. Toxic.
There you
Go on,
Okay.
go on.
No. Now we're just gonna stir this up
You don't even need me.
for another couple. I don't need him. Another few minutes, and then we're gonna add our pumpkin. So we'll be right back.
Okay, see ya. And welcome back, guys.
So now we've added the garlic. You can smell it in the air.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
amazing. So we're now ready to add the pureed pumpkin. Also a note, you will find pureed pumpkin or pumpkin pie filling in stores. Do not use pumpkin pie filling. Pumpkin pie filling is meant for pies. It has nutmegs. It is gonna taste way different than what we're putting in there currently. You want that organic pumpkin puree.
Yeah.
If you got a lot of time, dice your own pumpkin up, roast it, blend it. It'll taste great.
Yeah, for
We
sure.
don't have a lot of time, so we're using this.
What's that say? Ingredients.
Organic pumpkin.
That's it. Okay.
So, okay, let's just do it the normal way.
No, I don't
So
like
Brad-
doing it the normal way. I like to do stuff my way.
So
it's
Brad-
my way. My way. Oh, the highway.
So Brad is putting in the organic pumpkin, and then what we also have here is a cup of bone broth, chicken bone broth. So don't use the chicken stock, use bone broth. Again, last episode we talked about it.
It's
Helps
delicious.
with
We put that in
inflammation.
there?
Yeah, it's gelatin right now. Don't
I
drink it.
love it.
Put it in the soup.
Great.
Either
I
way,
worked out today, man. Can't
helps
you
with
tell?
everything. So we're gonna put that in, and then the next, just a little stir.
You want me to stir, honey?
Just a little stir.
I can do that.
So then the next thing we have is some spices. So we have chili powder, cumin,
Yeah.
coriander, and some sea salt. So we're gonna
Yep.
put that in with all the other
Throw
things.
that in, beautiful. Get it in there. Oh yeah. Spice up your life, okay? Every boy and every girl, spice up your life. Spice up your life. Ah, freak out.
Ready to
I
put
think
a
those are
disclaimer
two
out there.
songs.
I'm not.
I think those are two songs actually.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring this to a boil, and then once this boils, we're gonna toss in some lentils for some added protein.
That's right.
So we'll be back when it boils.
So now that our chili is bubbling, boiling trouble, we're gonna add our lentils, so our legumes. Now I talked earlier about what we're gonna learn about legumes and why they cause farting, okay? And the reason is on their outer shell they have something called like a starchy molecule called oligosaccharides. Now when we soak that, we can get rid of some of that. But what that does in our small intestines, that ferments and it causes bloating, farting, sometimes abdominal pain. Now those
I will never say fart on this show.
now those oligosaccharides can also be good for us, and they're good for our intestinal health, right? They're good for our good gut bacteria. But if we want to get rid of some of that stuff, we want to soak our legumes, like our beans, our lentils, overnight in water, and that'll get rid of some of them. Also, and that's what we've done here. Also what you can do is you can combine it with a type of grain like a rice, and make sure it's a brown rice or wild rice or even black rice, which is nice, really good stuff. Just don't make it,
Rice is nice.
don't make it the white rice, okay? And what that does is it's a low bloating feeling, but it's still a good fuel source, and it actually makes it a complete protein. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna drain our beans. And now guys, if you're using a canned bean, all you want to do is you want to put that can in there, and then you want to actually rinse your beans, okay? Until all that bubbly froth is off the beans or the legumes, right? So, what are you laughing at?
I don't know. Dump them in.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna dump these lentils in there. And they don't take that long to cook, but they're gonna absorb some of that liquid. So we're gonna stir that up.
And so now also what we're gonna do now that the chili is boiling, we're gonna turn it down so it simmers. We're gonna put a lid on it and just crack it open a little. So it's gonna simmer on low for about 15 minutes.
Do you know what you actually are supposed to do if you have a fire in a pot at home or a grease fire?
Okay, go.
You put a lid on it. Start it from the air, right?
Yeah, so
I
we're
thought
gonna
you would
do
know
that.
I don't know. Just a nice fire safety tip for y'all.
So we'll be back.
Later. so our pumpkin chili has been simmering for about 15 to 20 minutes. Our lentils are nice and cooked now. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like.
Don't do that, you're gonna burn your face.
Oh yeah, that's nice. It's thickened up a bit. Okay, so the lentils suck some of that juice in.
So we're gonna...
You want to taste or what?
Oh, what's that taste?
That's nice. That's super hot. So to enjoy this, you want to scoop this into a bowl, let it cool, guys. Okay, take a couple breaths. You don't need to munch this thing down.
Mow it.
Okay,
So we're gonna scoop it into a bowl now.
Okay.
Some topping.
I'm gonna scoop this into a bowl here. Just like so, ladies and gentlemen. Now, on break there, I cut up some avocados. Okay, so add a little bit of green color in there. I cut up some avocados, and we've cut up some Brashley. Okay. So I'm just gonna put some avocados on top, some nice color there. Okay, if you have a lime, you can put some lime on there. Get a little citrus juice there. How many jalapeños do you want?
I wouldn't put too many.
No, these things are hot because these are from our...
Dad's garden.
No, they're not. They're from our garden.
No, those ones are from my dad's
Oh
garden,
yeah,
actually.
okay. They're okay, and voila, we have our beautiful seasonal pumpkin chili. Okay, guys? What do we say?
Bon appetit!
Sayonara! Later, guys.